step on it. Wake up, really gon' ride the sun. Step two, some good, some young to do. Step three, real hard out what you wanna be. Step four, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Set your affirmations, aspirations. Be the aftermath of preparation. Ready for the good mood, head circulation. One step at a time, that's how you make it. So all you control, the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought as a concentration. If I make a mistake, it's called education. Try to do this every day, call it reputation. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Life ain't easy, yo. I think there's a reason, though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I just wanna be a hater. You always gotta fight hard when the demons up. Negative thoughts, poison around. Never live life, so kick up the clouds. They'll never stop, you must have to fall. All the bad, feel the good in my head when I'm lost. So I'ma fake it till I make it. All negative thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One way at a time, that's how you gotta like the greatest. Okay, the ground, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that comes with temptation. I know that I love to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Cause really gon' ride the sun. Get some good, some food in you. Step three, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step four, everybody just do your thing.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. blue.